In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Microsoft account on a mobile device. This will work both on Android and iOS devices. So I'm personally on an Android, so I need to go ahead and open up Google Chrome just like so. Then go to the search bar and type in Microsoft account right over here. Then please go to the official account.microsoft.com website just like so. It is then going to bring you to a page that looks like this. From here, go to the top right and select on this profile picture right over here. Then it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. It is then going to prompt you to sign in. However, underneath that option, it is going to say no account to create one. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on create one just like so. From here, you're able to create a Microsoft account. So you can actually use a pre-existing Gmail account and then make a Microsoft account from that. You don't need to create a new email from scratch. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in my email address really quickly. All right, then go ahead and press on next, and it is going to ask you to verify your email. So it's going to send you a code to your email address. So you need to go ahead and open up your inbox and make sure you find the code. The email should look something like this, and right over here is the actual code. So let's go ahead and copy it, and then let's paste it in. All right, there you go. And then from here, you need to go ahead and add some details, such as the country and region, and you will also need to add in your birthday as well. So go ahead and add that in. Then go ahead and press on next, then add your name as well. Then go ahead and press on next. Then it is going to give you a quick note about your Microsoft account. Go ahead and press on OK if you're 100% sure. And then it is going to create your Microsoft account from here. Now, obviously, if you just created this fresh brand new account, you will need to go ahead and verify it by adding in your phone number and stuff like that in order to add more security. But yeah, from here, you now have a Microsoft account, which you can then use in order to get Minecraft and all that other good stuff. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.